Hey, good morning, it's Tommy. I'm here at Jupiter again at the Waterway Park. We're gonna go try our luck again at fishing. We're gonna head up to Stuart. JD is gonna join us, Romero and I. JD hasn't fished off his ski, at least I don't think he has, but I know he hasn't fished in a while, so this will be a new experience for him. But JD's already loaded his ski in the water, and Romero just got here, so as usual, waiting on Romero. That's insane how high that thing goes. Looks like a ladyfish. Jumping like that. Yep, ladyfish. It's such cool looking fishes. You got one too? Yeah. Oh boy, ladyfish are running through. Nope. No? He's a good bait. Oh, no, actually, I don't know. Small, it is something. Oh, you got them. Go on. You got a catfish?
Trout or something?
Let me see. No, that's a catfish. Here, I got pliers. Yeah, it's a jack. Oh, Romero on the board.
Nice.
Here, you need pliers?
Here. I need them. Yeah, here you go. I feel bad for you, buddy. I feel bad. About half pound, 1 pound. Yeah.
What does he got here? Another jack? Yep, another jack. Yeah, it's the same one. No. Oh, Romero got 2 jack. Here. You need it? You got it. Jack number 2.
What's the fish count? You got 1, 2. It's alright, little buddy. Come on, let's go.
I think I used more shrimp than you on that count.
Oh.
Another ladyfish.
No, it's fighting like a jack. It's a jack. Oh, it's a sheephead. Oh, nice. First edible fish.
worst is when they get them through the eye.
Yeah.
Oh, check it out, porpoise. Got to come up again, right out there. This dorsal thing.
Yeah, I got him right in the roof of the mouth. Ugh.
Oh, got something.
There you go. JD got one? Got a red? We already got a...
I don't know. Probably a catfish.
It's not biting hard.
Small.
The double up though.
There we go. First keeper.
See what JD got. He got
Looks like a little jack.
Yeah, it looks like tiny jack.
Is that a jack?
The
Yep.
smallest one.
Is that a sand perch? Yes. That was a good eating.
Cool. You want it?
I think they also call them maharos or something like that, but we call them sand perch.
Sweet. All right, you need a plate. I think.
Nah. So that's sand perch out here. Man, there's all kinds of fish out here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Small, but
Yeah. So we made it to the sandbar. Tired of starting to change. But we're gonna see if we can find some finger mullet here. I doubt we are going to. I haven't seen any coming in, but if not, we're just gonna relax, eat some food, and then we'll figure it out later.
He went all the way in, dude. He went in all the way. You gonna jump?
right, so we had a good day on the water. Caught a few fish, a couple keepers. But what did you think? Your first time fishing off of a ski?
It was awesome, a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So easy just to get out and, you know, put in and not deal with all the bags and the crap and the boats and the, you know, all this. I mean, I love boats, but there's nothing like going out on a ski.
Yeah.
And you get there faster than
get there
60 miles an hour.
And getting spots where boats can't get. So.
Yep.
But it was a good day, huh, Romero?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good day.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah.
For getting me into it. I think I'll be doing a lot more of it. So.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
But that's it for today. I appreciate you all watching. We'll see you on the next one.